began in a quiet town in Madhya Pradesh. 19 children, all under 5, all gone within weeks. The parents had one thing in common. एक simple सी cough syrup bottle, a syrup called Coldriff. At first, local doctors thought it was a viral outbreak. Then they thought it was a mystery kidney failure. But जब test reports आए, the truth was far more terrifying. 48.6% diethylene glycol, a deadly industrial solvent, poison, hidden inside a medicine meant for children. This was not the first time. And if experts are right, it may not be the last. So hello and welcome back. You're watching Next IAS English. Today we are going to talk about the cough syrup conspiracy. So let's move ahead. The first thing that I would like to talk about is there's a reason why we are calling all this a conspiracy. क्योंकि ये स्टोरी सिर्फ मध्य प्रदेश तक लिमिटेड नहीं है. 2019 में जम्मू में 12 बच्चे मर गए. सेम पैटर्न, सेम किडनी फेलियर्स. 2022 में गाम्बिया में 66 डेथ्स. उज्बेकिस्तान में 18, इंडोनेशिया, कैमरून, सब जगह एक ही कहानी. इंडिया मेड कफ सिरप्स विद टॉक्सिक केमिकल्स. हर बार इंक्वायरी होती है, हर बार प्रोमिसेस किए जाते हैं, लेकिन हर बार किसी नए शहर में एक नई ट्रेजेडी रिपीट होती है. एक्सपर्ट्स एट WHO कॉल इट अ रेगुलेटरी गैप. But what if this gap is not just a mistake? What if it's a designed system failure? Moving forward, let's talk about this. The Madhya Pradesh mystery. October 2025, Chhindwara, Madhya Pradesh. Parents rushing to hospitals, confused doctors, panicked health officials. The deaths looked random until investigators found something very common. All the children had taken Coldriff, a syrup made by Srisan Pharmaceuticals, a Tamil Nadu-based company. Tests revealed shocking numbers. Diethylene glycol was 500 times the legal limit, an industrial chemical used in paints, brake fluid and antifreeze, not in medicine. Within days, the governments banned Coldriff. Police raided the Srisan factory. Owner S. Ranganathan was arrested. Over 500 bottles were traced and recalled from shops, pharmacies, even homes. But the big question still remains. How did this poison end up in children's medicine? Moving forward, let's find out. The hidden network. We are going to talk about this. To understand all this, हमें Indian pharma system के अंदर घुसना पड़ेगा. India, the pharmacy of the world. 40% of America's generic medicines come from India. 90% of Africa's essential drugs are made in India. But behind the global pride lies a fragmented web of small-scale manufacturers, cheap raw materials, and thin paper regulation. A former CDSCO officer, Central Drug Standard Control Organization, told a local paper, half of the state-level manufacturing units operate with barely any regular inspection. छोटी factories जिनके पास ना proper labs हैं, ना testing records हैं, most of them buy solvents and glycerine from unverified traders. Sometimes industrial grade, sometimes fake. It's cheaper, faster, profitable. And यही profit race बन गया है poison chain. Moving forward, let's talk about one theory. Sources inside the pharma sector whisper something darker. ये सिर्फ negligence नहीं है. It might be corruption. This theory goes like this. Low-cost manufacturers pay under the table to skip batch testing. State drug inspectors, underfunded and politically pressured, either look away or delay reports. Meanwhile, the products hits the market without proper toxicity screening. By the time a tragedy unfolds, companies vanish, licenses are suspended, and the blame is scattered here and there. Then a new company forms, new name, same people, same system. A revolving door of accountability. Academic experts call it regulatory capture. जब watchdogs खुद industry के control में आ जाते हैं and the victims always the same. Poor families who cannot afford branded medicines. Moving forward, let's talk about patterns of death. In the Gambia, 66 children died in 2022 after taking syrup contaminated with the same chemical diethylene glycol. In Uzbekistan, 18. And every time the story was eerily similar. Cheap solvent was replaced pharma grade glycerine. क्वालिटी चेक्स वर स्किप्ड, रेगुलेटर्स वर साइलेंट. WHO ने वार्निंग दी थी, इंडिया के डोमेस्टिक ड्रग टेस्टिंग सिस्टम्स में गैप्स हैं. एक्सपोर्ट्स के लिए स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स हैं, बट लोकली सोल्ड सिरप्स ऑफन एस्केप डीप टेस्टिंग. एक्सपर्ट्स से इंडिया स्ट्रेंथेंड एक्सपोर्ट्स रूल्स आफ्टर 2022, पर डोमेस्टिक ड्रग्स के लिए अभी भी कोई नेशनल टेस्टिंग प्रोटोकॉल यूनिफॉर्मली अप्लाइड नहीं है. सो द पैटर्न कंटिन्यूज, a cycle of contamination, then tragedy, and then a weak accountability. Moving forward, let's talk about the fallout. अक्टूबर 2025 के बाद कोल्ड ड्रिफ्ट बैन हो गई और 2 और सिरप्स, रेसिपी फ्रेश और री लाइफ, गुजरात बेस्ड कंपनीज के, उनमें भी केमिकल मिला था. States began recalling bottles from pharmacies across India. WHO called it a wake-up call. FDA in the US confirmed that these deadly syrups were not exported but warned India about internal screening failures. Yet, the truth is, every major reform promises from 2020, 2022, 2023 is still under review. Meanwhile, parents in Madhya Pradesh are still waiting for answers. Now, let's look at the bigger picture. Diethylene glycol contamination is not new. It was 1937 in America. More than 100 people died after a similar syrup disaster. उसके बाद उन्होंने अपने पूरे ड्रग लॉ को रिफॉर्म कर लिया. पर इंडिया में we are still counting bodies and waiting for change. Experts warn, when an industry grows this big, this fast, corruption and negligence can become very invisible. India exports life-saving drugs worldwide, but जब अपने ही बच्चे मर रहे हों, it's time to ask, who really tests what we consume and who's accountable when they don't. Moving forward, let's talk about the unanswered questions. Now, what are these unanswered questions? Was cold drift's contamination an accident or a deliberate cost cutting? Did someone swap materials to save money, or testing labs ignored the warnings? Did local regulations delay actions to protect factory owners, or was it pure incompetence? No one knows yet, but the pattern is too precise to ignore. Negligence alone cannot repeat itself this many times. In every Indian household, cough syrups is seen as something which is very harmless. एक छोटी सी bottle जो हर मम्मी के medicine box में पड़ी होती है. But behind that bottle lies a dangerous mix of greed, weak oversight, and silent corruption. Until the system changes, the next tragedy is not a question of if, but when. And that is it for today.